Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, CANON Pixma device, CANON Pixma MG2550S, and now I'm gonna show you how to load paper on this device. So as you can see, it's very easy to do. Here we have the paper tray, and here we have the sizes of paper we can load into our printer. And as you can see, here is the A4 size, B5, A5, 5 to 7, 6 to 4, and envelopes, as you can see. And moving this gray plastic element, we can change the inserted paper tray. For example, I want to insert A4, so I should install it to A4 size and just load A4 paper cards. Maybe we can make some space. And cool, and that's it. And now we can print using our A4 paper. We can copy, we can print, we can do anything. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.